Okay, hello YouTube. My airsoft guns. This is not cocked. This is one of my Berettas. My Beretta, full black. This can shoot at BBs, but it's not really made for a BB gun. So, yeah, well, airsoft gun. People are getting that mixed up. But this, I will be making this into a fully auto. I call it the MP because it sounds like an MP and the clip, the back guns, but I hate that this stock can't move. So, and the barrels, that's the barrel I'm gonna cut right there that you're looking at. And then put the BBs in front of the barrel and hopefully the spring will, wait, I'll show you that spring. It's like right there, but y'all can't see that. And then it makes it look cool whenever you're like playing around with it. I think it'll be very powerful. You can just cannot take out the clip. All you gotta do is that. 3 bullet. Oh, this is fake right there. There's little things. Okay. Auto. Semi. It's easy to pull the trigger. Outside for semi, that was semi. And 3 bullet. Auto. You can see it looks pretty cool. Little, so like it won't be hard, but you can't go like that and shoot. No. Can't aim. You have to have it far like this, and then put it to your face. And it does vibrate a lot. Okay, wait. Then the other gun, I will be switching into an airsoft gun, like making it into an airsoft gun. It's a Magnum. I got it right here. This one's gonna be easier. All you gotta do is unscrew that, and then hopefully this hit it, and it'll be cool if you can hold like 50 bullets in here, cause I can like trigger it really fast. It's easy to pull the trigger. I see batteries that belong in the bottom. Gotta see what that does. I haven't seen nothing on this that you need for batteries. I've been looking and looking and looking, but there's no batteries. So I'm like, okay, that's cool. So, cause it sounds cool in person. Probably on the camera it was like sounding weak. What was that? I just saw something. What was I looking? But it hit extremely fast. And then you can sounds cool like that. This is my trigger finger. Auto. So that's it. That's all the guns I want to make. 2 BB guns. Those 2. Well, airsoft guns. Told you. So yeah.